the inputs and tools and techniques have been considered, following outputs can be achieved on account of plan scope management process. First off, we get the scope management plan. The scope management plan is a component of the project management plan that describes how the scope will be defined, developed, monitored, controlled, and finally validated. The components of a scope management plan include process for preparing a project scope statement, process that enables the creation of the work breakdown structure from the detailed project scope statement, process that establishes how the scope baseline will be approved and maintained, and finally, a process that specifies how formal acceptance of the completed project deliverables will be obtained. The scope management plan can be formal or informal, broadly framed or highly detailed based on the needs of the project. Next, we get the requirements management plan. The requirements management plan is a component of the project management plan that describes how project and product requirements will be analyzed, documented, and managed. It is prudent to mention here that some organizations refer the requirements management plan as a business analysis plan. The components of the requirements management plan can include how requirements activities will be planned, tracked, and reported. It includes configuration management activities such as how changes will be initiated, how impacts will be analyzed, and how they will be traced, tracked, and reported, as well as the authorization levels required to approve these changes. It also includes the requirements prioritization process and the metrics that will be used and the rationale for using them. And finally, it lays out the traceability structure that reflects the requirement attributes captured on the traceability metrics. See you in the next lecture.